You see, when children eat, they are very much interested to smell the food. It is generally the lifestyle of the all children. They are very much interested to smell the things. So that smell observation, they don't say good or bad smell. Their bone strength increases. Their teeth increases. All the heart issues becomes stronger and stronger. Therefore, when you touch the food, enjoy its touch and enjoy its smell. Whatever smell you feel, never say good or bad smell. The roti, rice, dal, vegetable, and whatever the other things you are having, just try to touch it, look at this, enjoy its color, its shape, size, smell it, then put in the mouth, then try to touch in the mouth and chew it, feel it, taste it, then just be happy now it is going to stay in your stomach. And this thought will make a big change in the life. And that change what you are going to see, you may have the wrong interpretation that changes are appearing in the form of illness, sickness. Never have thought of that. Just tell me the symptom, after that forget it. अब आप देखिए कि खाने को आपने देखा, आपने छुआ, आपने उसकी गंध लिया, मुंह में रखा, मुंह में स्पर्श की अनुभूति किया, उसको चबाया, उसके स्वाद की अनुभूति किया, फिर खाना भोजन नली से गया, उसका स्वागत किया कि आमाशय में रहे। इसलिए खाना खाते समय जो पानी पिएंगे 100 मिलीग्राम से ज़्यादा नहीं। Never drink water more than 100 ml during meal. More water will dilute digestive enzymes of the stomach and which will interfere digestion process. After that, what will happen? Just let us understand it. Then food will pass into the small intestine after 2 hours approximately. Then liver secretes juice, bile juice. There are many functions of the bile juice. One function is to neutralize acidic media of the stomach food and provide alkaline media to this, which is essential for intestinal digestion. At the same time, pancreas, there is one digestive gland as well as endocrine gland both. That pancreas liberates pancreatic juice. That juice is poured in the small intestine that facilitates digestion of the food in the small intestine. The small intestine itself liberates a lot of juices. You know, the bile juice approximately a half liter minimum, sometimes more. Pancreatic juice a half liter or more. Intestinal juice a half liter or more. Sometimes it goes 1.5 liter. Then that bulk of juices are liberated in order to provide digestion physiology in our small intestine. Now imagine if you have eaten a small food and you are not hungry, then it is the automatic process, autonomous nervous system, which pours bile juice into the small intestine, pancreatic juice in small intestine, and which liberates our intestinal juice. It is all controlled by autonomous nervous system. Generally, we don't have willing control on that. If you are eating a small quantity, again you are going to liberate so much big amount of juices. That is called useless work. Therefore, when you are eating small things many times, this is called most unscientific eating. Then you will say, no, doctor prescribed to eat few times a small quantity, not to eat in the bulk in one time. Why? Because doctor doesn't have the research into that. What they feel good, they prescribe to the patient. Because when you eat in the bulk, after that you feel heaviness. If same food divide in 4 times eat, you feel better. Then who told you to eat in bulk? Eat in moderate quantity which make you feel good. After that, have minimum 6-7 hours gap in between. No biscuit, no any fruits, nothing. Because when you are taking in between, your intestinal digestion, it stops stomach digestion by hormone action. Gastrosterone, enterokinase hormones, they stop function, physiological function of the stomach. Digestive function of the stomach is stopped by those hormones, and when food is present in small intestine, then this is called most ignorant decision, that after eating 2-3 hours again you are going to take 1-2 biscuit and tea, one little snacks in between. Oh, it is 4 hours over, I am hungry. We are never hungry, we are controlled by habit. We have developed habit to enjoy certain perceptions of the chemicals in the body in unnatural way. Once you have eaten food, forget 6-7 hours completely. And don't try to charge your mind that you are going to have longer gap. Let us eat in the bulk so that you can sustain up to that. This is called the unnatural thoughts. When you are having your aim of life, feel head to toes, it is presence of infinite immortal consciousness, you will be never guided by greed of anything. You will have the natural behavior of eating.